So first one is context creates value. Sometimes as much, if not more than the product. The wrong product in the wrong context, or the right product in the wrong, or a good product in the wrong context doesn't work. And so you start to realize that for me to build great products, if I know the context, it actually makes it easier. So remember that context creates value. The second one is contrast creates meaning. Just because not trying to find the best thing, but to understand what good and bad is, or being able to, without contrast, I can't actually define me good. So when somebody says, you know, on a scale from 1 to 5, do you like this? Relative to what?
Yeah.
Right. I can do no surveys because they give me no reference point.
Yeah.
Right. And so contrast creates meaning. And I think the last thing is that as much as we want to make things predictable and we want to make things, you know, I'll say planned out, there's way more unknown than there is known. And there always will be. So don't fool yourself to think you know, assume you don't know. And even if you learned it a year ago, this is where I'm like, I worked on radar systems a lot and be like, oh yeah, I know radar systems. It's like, no, so much changed in the 3 years between. I'm like, okay, I don't know this. And so I'm always better assuming I don't know than I know, which is hard because we're all taught and people believe we're hired because we know. But the most valuable employees that we have or partners we have are the people who admit they don't know.